Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this look. This is Megan from Katseye from the iconic Gap ad. So we are going to start with the hair. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. On this hair, I use this color FF83A3 and the only bangs toggle, position the Y to 0.49, Z to 0.48. Then I use this hair in 42352B and FF83A3. Then I use these bangs in the same brownish black color, position the Y to 0.48 and scale it to 0.44. For the outfit, we are going to head on over here, use this top in this color 6C849A in denim. And then for the skirt, we're going to use this one. We are going to be using some VIP items for the next ones, but you can kind of not use it if you don't have it. Okay, then select the skirt in the same color in denim. And then here as well in denim. And then leave the rest white. Then for the belt, I also use this one in the third toggle. Didn't color it, position the Y to 0.31 and scale it to 0.74. Then for the shoes, I just use these ones in this color in denim and in that same color again. But you can also use, I think, these boots as well in denim. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.